Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth manga panel zoom video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on CapCut, and as you can see, I have imported some manga photos to this project. And first of all, you're going to add music or song to your project. And I have already added this music, and then you're going to add beat marks to your music or song. You can go to the beats and then activate the auto generate, and you can choose the intensity, and then you're going to match the transition with the beat mark. Okay, you can cut your clip according to the transition, and then we're going to apply keyframe. You can click on your clip and then you can add keyframe like this. You're going to zoom in and then you're going to add grab. You're going to choose flow 2, this one, and then you can apply this keyframe to all your clips. Just repeat the step. You can add 2 keyframes and then zoom in and add grab. Choose flow 2. Okay, done. I have already applied the keyframes to all my clips, and then we're going to add video effect. We can go to the effect, select video effect, and then we're going to apply black flash. Okay, you can choose black flash 2. Click on the check mark, and the second effect, you're going to apply play pendulum. Okay, you can search play pendulum, apply it to your clip, and you're going to set it to 15. Okay, set the intensity to 15, and then we're going to apply vignette, this one. Okay, and the last effect is glow effect. You can search glow and apply glow 2. Okay, click on the check mark, and then you're going to make the effect align with your video. Okay, like this guys. Alright, all the effects have been applied to the videos, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Wait, like this. And I'm sorry, I cannot play it louder due to the copyright. But yeah, it's so cool and smooth. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth manga panel zoom video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!